Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using Grok on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, you might notice the vibration feedback when tapping on the screen. For some people, it feels helpful, but for others, it can be a bit distracting. So in this video, I'll show you how to easily turn haptic feedback on or off in Grok. Let's get started. First, open the Grok app on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Once the app is open, look for the menu icon in the corner of the screen. It looks like stacked lines. Tap on that icon. Next, go to your profile picture. Inside your profile menu, find and tap on Haptics. Now you'll see the Haptics setting with a toggle switch on the right. This is the main control. If you want vibration feedback, tap the toggle to turn it on. If you don't want any vibration, tap it again to turn it off. You can switch this anytime, depending on your preference. For example, keeping haptics on can make the app feel more responsive when you tap or interact with it. But if you prefer a quieter experience or want to save a bit of battery, turning it off can be a better option. So it really depends on how you like to use your phone. And that's how you can enable or disable haptic feedback in Grok on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.